probably watched that motor start it. You watched Kenny come around the cab, see the hood, you saw the other side, and then you noticed that he climbed in the cab, but he missed one little step. And that would be opening the door, because there is none. This is a parts 2007 Freightliner tandem axle day cab for you. It's got a nice Detroit motor in it, runs well. The differential in the back's got some issues with you. Cab's actually still got some good parts in it. Give us a call, we'll part it out for you, or maybe you can take the whole thing, put a door on it, do whatever work you got to do to it, and get it on down the road. Available right here at Arthur Trovey and Sons in beautiful Sparrow Bush, New York. And it's getting warm, so maybe you just want to leave the door off.